I welcome you everybody to the class of Programming C. Today we'll discuss about different types of variable. Different types of class of variables. We have different storage class variables. Storage class variables like a register storage class, automatic storage class, static storage class, external storage class. So these storage classes, what are these storage classes? Thus these classes will be the type of different variables. In case of register storage class, what will the keyword? Keyword is register. In case of automatic storage class, the keyword is auto. In case of static storage class, the keyword will be static. In case of external storage class, the keyword will be extern. To see here for different storage classes, for different storage variables, so on what basis we are measuring these storage variables? So on the basis of their memory allocation, how the memory allocation takes place, then what is the default value, then what is the lifetime and scope of the value. Got it? So in this class today we will discuss about auto storage class or automatic storage class. In case of automatic storage class, we have to use a keyword auto, and here the memory allocation takes place in RAM, and here the lifetime or scope of the variable is within the method or block where the variable is declared. So what is automatic storage class, or what is the auto variable? Auto variables are the local variables. Generally the local variables are declared as auto variables. For example, if we say void main, suppose I'll write int x equals to 5. So here x is a local variable which is local to this method. This local variable can be an auto variable also. That means all the local variables are by default auto variables. You may write auto or may not write auto. So these variables are going to be created in RAM and they will be assigned with the value 5. So what is the default value of these auto variables? So default value is garbage value. So garbage value is the default value of these auto variables. So here suppose inside a block I will create another auto variables int x equals to int x suppose, and I will print the value of the x. Got it? And after the block I am again printing the value of x. Got it? So see here, so these are the auto variables. You may write keyword auto int x equals to 5, or you simply write int x equals to 5, no matter, this is same, auto int x. Got it? So here the x value is 5, which is created inside RAM. Here int x value is garbage. So when you print the value of x here, what will be printed? The garbage value will be printed here. Got it? Because here within this block, this variable x variable is having its scope is a block. Scope is a block. That means its lifetime is block. It is created inside this block and dies after this block is ended. So after this end scope, so this variable is not having any meaning. But this variable lifetime is within this method. So scope is, so its scope, this variable scope is within the block. So it lives within this, within the block, within the method. So within this method, it lives. So here what will the value of the x? So here this value of x will be printed because its lifetime is here. So its value 5 is printed. So auto variables are the local variables, are used as the local variables created inside the RAM, and they are having the scope or lifetime within the method or within the block. If you want to create them as external variable, or if you want to create them as the global variable, that means if you want to declare the auto variables here, int x equals to suppose 10. If I want to create this variable as the global variable, so this is one error. It cannot be done. That means auto variables can never be global variable. Global variables. Got it? So you got about the automatic variables, auto variables. So here keyword auto is used. They are generally created inside the RAM, and all the local variables are the auto variables. They may be inside a block or the method. You may use keyword auto or may not. They are by default auto variables. The default value of the auto variables are the garbage value, and you can assign the value to those auto variables. And lifetime is within those block or the method. Got it? Thank you. In next class, we'll discuss about other storage classes.